Let's make Christmas cookies. My decorations are always kind of so-so, but I guarantee the cookie dough is great. I'll show you how, starting with the egg yolk and butter or margarine, sugar, and flour. I'll leave all the quantities here in the description for you, okay? Put everything in the bowl, add a pinch of salt, a spoonful of cornstarch, cinnamon, and vanilla. Now work it with your fingers, mix, mix, mix with your hands until it turns into this coarse sand, like this. Add a tablespoon of cold water to get the right consistency. If your egg is large, you might not even need this water, okay? Or maybe you'll need a little more. It will depend on the size of the egg you used. Cover it and let it rest in the fridge for half an hour. I like to roll it out between 2 sheets of parchment paper. It's easier that way. Then you can cut your cookies into whatever shape you want. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. You'll stand by the oven waiting for the cookies. Once the edges turn golden, about 10 minutes, take them out because cookies burn quickly. They should look just like this, okay? This is a small recipe. It made 2 pizza trays, guys, full of little trees here. Look, I didn't count how many it made, but that's it. I bought ready-made icing just out of laziness. I've never hidden from you that I don't like baking. I don't like these delicate things. No, my thing is a more rustic kitchen. But look, I don't give bad recipes. The cookie turned out delicious, okay? And that's exactly the idea, to show that if I, who have no skill at all, can do it, you can too. Now it's your turn to like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell, all that stuff.